Hey, let's do LeetCode number I guess 1. This is TwoSum in JavaScript. This is a hash map problem, and what they want you to do is find the two numbers that add up to the target and then return an array of the position of those two numbers. So in this case, 2 and 7 add up to the 9 and then return the position as 0 and 1. Okay, so let's do this in JavaScript. And what we're going to do here is we're going to create an object for our hash map. And then what we need to do is we need to loop through the numbers. We're going to check inside of the object to see if the object contains the numbers that we want, and if we do, then we're going to return the two numbers that we need in an array. So we're going to do this. We're going to for loop. All right, I plus plus. Okay, so let's start by creating some variables here, so they'll be a little bit easier to work with. So we have num_i where we currently are in there, and then we're going to make the second number 2, which is target minus the number. So this is kind of the missing number. We could call this, why don't we call this missing number? Maybe that makes more sense. So this is the missing number that we need. We have where we're at in here, and we're looking for the missing number. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go, all right, if the missing number, check missing number is inside of our object, then we'll just return inside the array, because we need to return an array. We'll return the position of number, which is I, and we'll return the position of, and here's our lookup, object, missing number. And now, all we have to do is create in our map the value for object number and set that to I. So we can do that like that, and let's just console log this out. And this is, I believe this is guaranteed to have this. Yeah, it has a solution. So that's all we have to try. We just have to find it. That's all we have to do. So let's run this. Oh. We have a typo. That's why we got to run this. All right, passes those cases. This should pass in here. It timed out. That's probably because we have a console log in this. Let's try this again. Yep, there we go. It does pass. So if we go back to this and bring back our console, we can run this here, and we can see this object getting built up over time. This is not a good example. Let's try. We don't have any great examples of this one. So here we have 3, 0, and then the object, then we have 2, 1, and all we're doing in here is looking for that missing number, whatever that might be. Probably if we move this 7 to the end. All right, get a better view there. But that's how we do this two-sum problem. I'll leave it there.